Hello everyone and welcome back to R&M LAB GH. Today I present to you an interesting project which is very versatile and useful. This project was requested by my children and I dedicated to them, Iris and Brian. A big hug to my little ones. They wanted a lamp that was a bit unique and here I am with it, realized for them. And for you, a nice and appealing idea. As always, it's a low-cost project using recycled materials or materials that are easily available and inexpensive. The electronic project is very simple and quick to build. Today we will see the assembly on the breadboard and the bench test, so I can show you how the project is structured. Afterwards, we will move on to creating the final object, and you will see how I built this lamp. Today, in addition to the classic Arduino video tutorial, we will be doing a bit of DIY, which I really enjoy, being able to recycle and create useful and unique things. For this project, we will be using a new component. As you can see, in every video I present new components and new solutions. We are using our faithful Arduino, the mini breadboard and jumper wires, 3 RGB LEDs with common anode, and the new component, the SYN1213 sound detection sensor module. As always, I have prepared the wiring diagram for you with the relative connection pins to the Arduino. With the diagram, which you can find in the description, and by watching the video, everything will be very simple. Okay, now we move to the computer. As always, we connect a USB cable between the computer and the Arduino board. We will upload the code, which, as always, you will find available in the description along with the diagram. We select the correct Arduino board and the communication port, then we upload the code. And now we can move on to testing our project. Now let's move on to the physical realization of the magic bottle, as I decided to call it for the project dedicated to my children, Iris and Brian. We will use any glass or plastic bottle you like, there is no limit to your imagination. In this case, I am using a glass bottle. I use a specific glass drill bit, which can also be used on ceramic, tiles, stone and other hard materials. It is very important to use water while drilling the material, so you don't ruin the bit. With water, we don't damage anything, neither the glass nor the tool. That is a small technical note. I'm using a recycled small box and making some holes, one on the top and one on the side. These will be used to house the LEDs on the top part and the SYN1213 sensor on the side. Afterward, I cover everything with marbled adhesive paper. I really like this combination between the green glass and the blue and gold marbling. I'm using male to female jumper wires for the LEDs. If you prefer, you can just solder simple wires. For this project, I'm showing you another new component which is very useful and fast for jobs like this, so that all the material used can be reused. This is a baseboard that holds the Arduino Mini and has simple screw connectors, making it very useful, tidy and quick. You will see the rest by following the video. At the end of the mechanical and electronic assembly, we will go on to see and test the finished product. Now let's test our magic bottle. You will see that with every clap the color effect sequence changes, and with 3 claps it turns off. 1 clap activates the white light. 2 claps activates the light effects. 3 claps turns the lamp off. This is a smart system. With the same project, a small code modification, and the use of a relay, we could turn the lights on and off in the bedroom, the kitchen, the living room, or the bathroom, anything you wish. This project, even though simple, is very versatile, useful, and creates a great effect. Thank you all for watching the video. I hope the content was to your liking. subscribe, leave a like, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye.